Hey guys, Shara Continent here, and today we're going to create a Microsoft Word resume or curriculum vitae. It doesn't matter, it's the same. It just depends on where you come from. So I'll go directly to Microsoft Word. Uh, I use Word 2013. It's what I have loved and used for a long time. And there you go. Let's open it. Well, make sure you've prepared yourself with a passport photo of your image and your details. It's important. And the icons. I'm going to show you the icons that I'm going to use. I've already pre-downloaded them and I'm going to edit them. So because of where I am and what I'm using right now, the printer I'm using right now, I need to change the settings. So in short, I'm going to control print and go to Adobe PDF. Having done so, I'm going to select the type of paper that I want to use, which as for me, I'll use an A4 paper. Having done so, I'm also going to choose the margins. We can use a narrow margin because majorly we are going to be using something different. Instead of just typing direct, we're going to be using containers. So having done so, as you can see, this cursor was somewhere here, but it's no longer there, but here. So the first things first, we're going to change how this paper looks. Let me zoom out, then from there we can continue. So the first thing first, as I told you, is that I'm going to use containers. It's going to be so fast, so you don't have to worry. The containers I'm speaking of are shapes. So you're going to come here to insert, then shapes. The first thing is the beautification of the document. So it's nothing much. Let me zoom in again. Is it zoom in or zoom out? Zoom out. Yeah, so that everybody can see. So I'm going to take a square or a rectangular shape, and then from there I'm going to drag and drop. I don't know why it's misbehaving. Yeah, there you go. I'm going to drag and drop, as you can see, that way. And from there I'm going to make it black with a shape outline of no outline. I think that is better. You can use something different. Maybe if you want to use several colors in terms of gradient, you can maybe do that or do that. Then from there you can edit the colors in the gradient, like say more gradient, select this color and make it black maybe, so or that color. I think that makes sense. Then come here again, make it lighter, is it? Yeah, like that. And then the last one, maybe make it more lighter but not so light, maybe that way. Yeah, that one would make sense. Then from there I'm going to add my image, which is I'll go again to shapes, choose a rectangular shape and do that. Good. Having done that, we can try and center this. I think that is a good position. Then I'm going to shape fill. Instead of selecting a color here, I'm going to pictures, then work offline. They misbehaved, no problem. So yeah, work offline. So it's going to upload or download. So yeah, I'm going to take my picture here and click insert or enter. And then from there I'm going to put a shape outline of no outline. There you go. So from there we are going to use more shapes, but before that I had pre-downloaded some icons of which I want to remove their backgrounds. They are on my desktop. As you can see, there is a location icon, and as you can see it have some sort of background here. So let me go to remove GB, and in there let's use this one. I'm going to remove the background, so I'm going to remove the BG, and then I'm going to upload the image. Now let's upload the email icon, and voila, the icon has been removed. So, and download it, but I'm going to have some sort of backlash because of the color here. I don't know, we'll see about that. So download it. It's misbehaving, just be patient. So free, I want to download free. And create plus, again the mobile icon, which is white. I love white. I'm going to use white. Even the mobile icon, I'm going to make it white. Good. Let me download that. Don't worry, if you can see it, you'll see it later. You see what I'm saying. Then go to location icon, and then again that way. I think I'm going to let me show you what I'm going to do. There's so many websites where you can get icons for free, but I love JPEG icons. So what will I do? I'll go and say white email icon PNG. So I believe this is the best. Unfortunately, if I do so, it's going to misbehave. So what can I do? Maybe you can select this, right click, save images, white email icon. And save it. Then go to remove GB, upload that. Let's see how it's going to show up. Oh my god, it's removing the white background. So no problem, we're going to do something else later. So let's see what you're going to do. Then from there, I would love to now add the location, my location, my phone number, and my email address. So I'm going to insert again, go for a rectangular shape or a circular shape this round, and then drag and drop. Nothing much, nothing big, something like that. Then shape fill. Let me try and zoom this so that you can see what I'm doing. So, and then from there I'm going to go to picture, work offline, from file. Then I'm going to take the location icon that we downloaded. We never downloaded the location icon. Why not? Okay, no problem. Let's use it as it is, and then enter. Having done so, as you can see, it is showing the location icon. Let's go to shape outline, no outline. Then from there, I'm going to insert again, go to the shapes, go to something called a text box, and then from there, having done so, I'm going to drag and drop again. So there you go. I'm going to do so, and maybe say Doha Qatar. Qatar, is it? So The shape fill for this case is going to be a no fill, and the shape outline will be no outline. The other thing you can do is to change the color to white, as you can see. So there you go. So we can increase the font size of this particular one as that way. Make sure that you read it. The next thing is we're going to copy this, or click Control. When you click Control, having pointed the pointer at the icon, there is a plus, so you can drag again, as you can see, and then maybe put it there, and then from there you go to Format, Shape, Fill, Picture. Then from there we can put the mobile icon. Where is the mobile icon? There you go. I hope it's going to work perfectly. Yeah, unfortunately it misbehaved. I believe they downloaded in the downloads folder. Let's see. So go to the shape fill, picture again, go to the downloads folder, and then yeah, there you go. There is a mobile icon, and then enter. So our case, we got the mobile. It doesn't look the best, but anyway, this is a tutorial. You can make it better. You can drag, as I told you, put the pointer here and then Control. If not, if you're unable, just right click and then copy, and then from there right click again and paste. So it's going to come here, drag it that way. So and add your phone number. In this case, I'm going to add my phone number. If you need a CV, you can text me via +254 7010 97 012. So having put the phone number, now we're going to put the third thing, of which it's the email. So again, Control, then drag and drop, then put the email icon. So go to Format, Shape Fill, Picture, From File, and then let's put this one. I think it will work best. And then enter. Oh, it looks bad. So there's a way you work around that. You go to Format. Now this, you're formatting the image, and then go to Color, and maybe you can make it extra white. Still not the best. Then put some corrections. You can make it dark, as dark as that. Still not the best. You're going to say what you're going to do. Let's see. I don't know. Yeah, let's go and look for another icon. So we're going to say white email icon. We're going to download just any. For the time being, go to images, then it doesn't necessarily have to look as I gave you. There's so many. So let's download this one. Email icon. Yes, let's merely replace that, and then from there replace this image. So go to work offline from a file, and then upload that one. So let's do the same here, and then add our email, which is biasharacontinent@gmail.com. biasharacontinent@gmail.com. com. And there you go. Nice. Having done so, that's why I wanted this to be a black one. Let's make it black. So this the major container. As you can see, the moment I left click on this particular shape, it's able to show up. So let's make it black, and there you go. So let's put a black shape outline, no problem. So you'll see what you're going to do. Then from there, we're going to input a line. So go to insert a line, then click shift so that it's not going to misbehave, and do that and drag. Having done so, you can make the shape to be of white color, that is number 1, and make it thicker. So go to 8 and do something like that. I'm doing so because I've zoomed at 204%. As you can see, now it looks a little better. From there, I'm going to add another text box that will have my educational background. So this is the header or the heading, which will be education. So I've dragged and highlight education. So education, capitalize, make sure that everything is in caps. So from there, I'm going to increase the font size. Let the font just be Calibri. Then make it bold, make it white, and then from there change the color to no fill, as you can see, and the shape outline to be none. So not white, but no outline. I don't know why it misbehaves. There you go. Then from there, I'm going to add another text box. So there you go. Go to the text box and drag exactly like that. And then from there, I can add my education. I have a diploma in information communication technology. So diploma in ICT, where Thika Technical Training Institute, Thika Technical Training Institute, Training Institute. I finished at the year 2019. So there's a huge space between the two of them, so I'm going to reduce the spacing. Go to home, then go to line and paragraph spacing, and I'm going to remove the space after paragraph. I'm also going to bolden this. Okay, and then from there I'm going to add the next one, Kenya National Examination Council. Also, I did Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education, so what you call a high school diploma, Nyeri High School. So I never studied at Nyeri High School, I just like it. So high school, so Nyeri. That is back in 2014. Then from there, Kenya's Certificate of Primary Education, but before that I'm going to bolden this, or Control B, you can select and Control B. So Kenya Certificate of Primary Education, primary education. So bolden it, and then I'll put here what? Let me put Matopeni Primary School. Back in 2010. Then from there again unbold it, then make all these color white, then go back to my shape tools, make the shape fill to have no fill, and the shape outline to have no outline, and there you go. So Matopeni is a noun, so we're going to add a dictionary there. So is it a proper noun? I don't know. And from there, let's make sure there is some sort of alignment. We can put the data there just in case you have quite a lot to write. Then from there we can put certifications. It's not necessary for certifications. Because of time, I'm going to give everything back to AI. I'm going to input my data, basic data. Then from there it's going to generate for me skills and maybe work history. So but before that, I'm going to add my name here. So not an imaginary name, my name is Kamau Karuga. So I'm going to put my name here, Kamau Karuga. And then bolden it and add the font to make it yeah, that way. Then from there I'm going to put my role. So let me first of all make the shape outline to be of no outline and no color or no fill. Then from there I'm going to insert another text box, and I'll say I'm an information technologist. So information technologist. So and then we're going to bolden it, and then increase the font size, make sure the texts align by using arrow keys, then no fill, no outline, and there we go. You can add a line like this one. So insert, go to shapes, go to line, and then shift again, then move your mouse, then make the color black, make it a little thick. Let me use 3 points. So as you can see, the resume or the curriculum vitae is getting better every time. So I'm using a desktop, so there are very important reasons that you should save your work. So save the data, documents, and maybe put CV sample 6. I have a lot of CV samples. If you want a CV or a resume, just text me. It's a Word document for now. Just text me and I'm going to assist you in creating one. So from there I'm going to create a professional summary, work history, and then skills, and maybe basic certifications. I'm going to add several certifications. Yeah. So I'm going to ChatGPT. Let me use my company ChatGPT for the sake of privacy. So I'm going to say that my name is Kamau Karuga, and here are my here are my basic details. So sorry. I have 6 years of experience. I have 6 years of experience. Kindly create for me a CV with an executive summary, skills, and work experience. Let the work be based in Kenya and Doha, Kenya, and the 2 last years in Doha. So I do web development, AI assistance, and computer networking and troubleshooting. So there you go. And voila, as you can see, I got myself an executive summary. I've got skills, I've got work experience. My internet is misbehaving. Let's restart it. So there you go. So I'm going to put some certifications. I'm going to put my professional experience, my core skills, and the executive summary without a problem. So let me go and create the certifications. So I'm going to copy this, as again I'm going to drag and drop it. Yeah, there you go, and add certifications. So let's also remember that we had some rhymes that were to differentiate what we are doing. So we can put the certifications here, copy this specific line, or create one. Let me see if I'm going to create one now. Let me just copy it. It misbehaved, unfortunately. Yeah, it misbehaved, but don't worry, I'm always there for you. So Control plus, and there we go. Yeah, so we're going to also add this. I'll copy this, control, there you go. So and copy our our certifications. So I'm going to paste there certifications. So as you can see, it's black. Let's make it white, and then the font too. And then from there we're going to maybe put bullet points or remove them, doesn't matter. Yeah, let's just remove them. So from there we're going to add the skills. So let me show you something. If you have so much to edit, you can control add that one, and also add that one, and then group them. So in our case, because I'm using a different color of which is going to misbehave, let me just repeat what I've been doing all through, also for you to understand. So let me control and do that, then add the skills, title. Yeah, let's say core skills. Yeah, then from there we can now copy this, and then paste the skills. So I believe they're going to be mini, so I'm going to select several, not all of them. Go to Biashara Continent, go to core skills, and maybe let's just select all of them, then select everything here and delete it first, and then paste. So let's convert it to white color exactly. From there let's do that. Yeah, true, I'm a full stack web developer, that's true. So Ctrl Z, I don't want the, so I do AI integrations, that's true too. I do network configurations, that's true. Also do hardware and software support. Let it just be that. From there, I don't know if I'm going to reduce the font size so that we can get more roles. Yeah, there are many. It's just that we are out of space, and I don't want it to be a 2-page or 3-page website, or not really website, but curriculum vitae, because this one for cybersecurity is not showing in its best. Let's just remove the rest and delete. So delete that. Cloud technology, at least that is being shown. So well and good, let's click up to there, delete. Yeah, there you go. Then from there, as you can see, we have we have our skills. The other important bit is the adding of the not professional summary but the executive summary. So I'm going to insert a text box and say here's my executive summary. So paste the word executive summary. Seems to be a longer word, so no problem. We are here, we take our time. Then there is no fill, there is no outline. So my font for today is Caribly, not Times New Romans, and there we go. We have something good. From there, you can make it that way. Increase the font size, and then from there I'm going to insert another text box and add my executive summary here. So let's go to the executive summary, copy it and paste it. Having done so, we can change the font and then remove the spaces after paragraphs and before paragraphs, and make sure it's at 1. And there we go. We've got ourselves an executive summary. So no shape fill, no outline, and voila, we've got an executive summary. From there, I believe we'll need to add another line. Yeah, is a problem of not using shift. So let's go to insert shapes, that and that. So from there, make it pitch black, and the weight, let's use 3. And then from there we're going to now copy this as I showed you, and then working experience. Again, it's important to make sure that text aligns. Yeah, there you go. And then from there, we're going to shift that. We shifted instead of copying, no problem. So control and then copy that. I showed you how to do that. Then from there, this is enough space for 3 working experiences. I'll reduce the zoom out. Is it zoom out or zoom in? I don't know. Then from there, I'm going to do this. That is add a text box. I'm going to copy this text as is. This is the working experience or the professional experience. Copy it and then paste it. I'm going to paste that way. Then select all, convert it to my font. Then again, make sure it has line spacing of 1. I'm going to remove both the space before and after the paragraph, and now we have our CV. So we can change the the bullet points to that, and that, and that. Then from there we can remove this shape fill and outline, and there we go. We've got ourselves a complete CV. From there you can change to what you want to edit. So, and that it's that simple. Yeah, it's that simple. So there you go. We're going to save this document as a PDF, and then from there we are ready to apply our jobs. So there you go, save it. Okay, from there, for safety issues and purposes, now that is your CV. So beautiful, so beautiful. So you go into your email account, Gmail, and then save that data. Never trust your computer. Never. So go to compose, to Biashara Continent at gmail.com. You're going to send it to yourself. My CV sample 6. Was it 6? I don't remember. And then from there I'm going to upload the two documents, that is the Word document and the PDF. That is just in case I would love to change it. So and then enter. There you go, send, and we are good. So as you can see, we went to send items. Your documents are here. So, and you can edit them. Next time you can download it, you can forward it. Yeah, as easy as that. So thank you. Kindly consider subscribing, like, comment. Yeah, if you need a CV, if you have your sample that you wish for me to build from scratch, I do it. WhatsApp me via +254 70 10 97 012. Yeah, and you're going to communicate later. Thank you so much. Love you.